In this video, we will learn how to upload a signed packing slip into our tool work order. And so I have this packing slip of 6065 that went out with the parts to be delivered to the customer. When the customer received the parts, they would write in the date, print their name, and sign this packing slip. And then we bring the packing slip back to the plant. And then inside of our system we will want to put that signed packing slip back to the order. So we'll click on Print Send. Print Upload Packing Slips. Now it asks for the customer. And so here is the packing slip, and we can see the customer was sample customer. So we choose sample customer, and then it asks for the packing slip number, which in this example is 6065. So we will type in 6065. Now you can do multiples here. If you had multiple packing slips to put in, you could do it this way. They will all have to be related to sample customer. But in this example, we're going to upload the signed packing slip of 6065 to sample customer. And then you will find your packing slip. So I have it here. We will choose Upload. Now we will see that it has been uploaded to that part. Now we can go to the part. When we look at orders, so packing slip 6065 was PO number 123. And so if we go back over here to our part, we can see when we look at orders, PO 123. So packing slip 6065 is related to PO 123. We can see here's the unsigned packing slip. So if we click that, you'll see the unsigned packing slip. Now, since we have uploaded the packing slip, you'll see it here. See, there's the signed packing slip of 6065 when the parts were delivered. And that's how you upload signed packing slips. Also, if you were shipping LTL and you need to upload the bill of lading for the signed packing slip, it's the identical process. You would still go to Print and Upload Packing Slips. You choose the customer, type in the packing slip number, and then when you choose the file you would choose that BOL. And that way that would work as your signed packing slip. So that concludes the video on uploading signed packing slips.